Good morning. I am Lucia Meneses. I am a student of PhD anthropology program in this university, and today I am talking about the results of my thesis of Messianic movements, especially the raritas of the new Universal Covenant of Amazon. This is the agenda of the next 10 years. First, introduction. Second, the description of Israelita Church. Third, the search of the Promised Land. Fourth, Israelita Territorio in the Amazon region. And sixth, conclusion. First, the Messianism birthed in both religions. In this case, both religions are Muslims, Catholics, and Jewish. Messianism is one type of religion in the Messianic movements as contemporary social fact. Although his death has been predicted by effects of modernization, secularization, and urbanization, they still appear in different parts of the world. In the next 10 videos, I present some of my results of my ethnography research made in the first half of this year. In this case, I work with the Israelita Church, one of the most important Messianic movements in Latin America. These pictures are of my fieldwork on Amazon. I emphasize the importance of ethnographies by the study of these movements because they are very dynamic and change spice and time all year. In this case, I use the multisectoral ethnography. In the map, can you see the cities of Brasilia in which I film my work? Second, the Israelita Church. Funded by disclosure to a Peruvian choicemaker, Ezequiel Atapuzi Gamonal, the doctrine of the church is based on the notion of Peru is country privileged. The Ezequiel is the Messiah, and he formed the fourth generation. The symbols of the church are white and blue flag, the code of the church, the code of the 10 Commandments, and the image of the Ezekiel and your sons, Jonas, the successor of the church. The Israelites are dressed in tunics. Women always have kept their heads well, and the men have long hair and beard. The Israelites' name is taken from the Old Testament. They are considered the unsurvived tribe of Israel. This doctrine, coupled with a complex system of ritual, has been extended by several countries of South America: Colombia, Bolivia, Ecuador, and Brazil. In this map, you make the departments with presencia israelita in 2009. In Colombia, the church is composed by indigenous, Afro-Colombian, and Piscines, and Santander de Quechao in the department of Cauca is the central theme, in which celebrate the new months and 3 feasts in the year. The Israelita Church has complex system of rituals, and the Holocaust is the main ritual. The Holocaust is in this case, the cause and the Holocaust is the main ritual, and the main ritual practiced on Saturday about 11 a.m., during which sing psalms and praise to God. This is the picture of the Holocaust in Santander de Quechao in Cauca. This ritual are done on the real file, a sacred place where the Israelitas gather to celebrate the new month entre fe durante the year. Okay. The search of the promised land. The religious life has three politics. One, preaching 10 commandments. Second, electoral politicas. And third, agriculture in Amazon region for to provide food and separate the evil world of modernity. The last politicas required the migration of the Amazon region. This is the promised land. The promised land is marked with a red circle of the map of South America. The three borders, Colombia, Peru, and Brazil, and border of Peru and Bolivia. The Israelitas from Colombia and Peru traveled to this place to obey the religious doctrine and live apart from the modern world that is considered bad. In this site, the Israelitas live according to the 10 commandments and expect the final judgment. This group hopes to be a new community and shows saved by a good. For Israelita territorio in Amazon region. This is the most important result of my research in this case. Since 1995, were create agricultural colonies called development poles in Marco project of South America called South America Regional Integration Project. In this case, 36 agricultural colonies in Amazon, Peruvian. In this case, the word red. The colonies are in Peruvian territory. $10,000 hectares of land working in agriculture, especially banana and rice cultivation. Between 5 and 10,000 Israelis in the area work in groups of 40 families with 40 acres of the land by a capital. The Israeli presence has an emphasized in turning the area into a circuit of exchange of spiritual and material things. The women are the principal actors of transnational networks. In this picture, can you see the Israelita women use the veil and tunics exchange different things, especially food, in the Tabatinga, Brazil. In the map, can you see in yellow color the agricultural colonies locally in the Peruvian Amazon, especially in the river of Amazon. In red color, the principal church in Brazil, Tabatinga, Benjamin Constant, and Atalaya do Norte, and the black color to church in Colombia. In conclusion, in triple border has become a social identity based on Israelita religion. No matter the nationality, but religion is more important. The Israelita presence has been a territory in which people and sacred objects circulate all year. And finally, the Israelita says, Peru, Colombia, and Brazil are united by the Israelita congregation. Thank you very much.